Hi YouTubers, it's George in the shed. We've just been for our daily exercise, which was a walk around the block. Didn't film it, there's no point. The temperature in here is 1 degree centigrade in the shed. I've just put the heater on and I'm actually going to do some lathe work in the garden. I've got the lathe there and a piece of cherry wood I want to turn, and I'm going to make some more mushrooms. Got it set up on the lathe, and hopefully it won't take much to actually make it circular. Now I'm working with green wood. You can see it's green and I've got the bark on it here, and I'm just turning one mushroom down here. I'm not going to bother with bark on the outside like I've done with the others, just going to have it plain. And I'm turning down this stem, and then when that one's ready I should take another one in, another one in, so I'll probably get 3, maybe 4 if I'm lucky out this piece of wood. You can see the first mushroom there, this is the second one, so I should get a few out of this piece of wood with a bit of luck. Looks a bit strange, but can be quite a few mushrooms. 4 mushrooms out of that piece of wood when I've tidied them up and put them back on the lathe, but I've had enough for the day. It's 13 degrees in the shed, but it's not that outside, so it's a good start. Well, I think that's about it for the day. These existing mushrooms I've got, making some more on the lathe. The only thing, just briefly mention, I've got problems with one of the headlights on the motorhome, where it's the adjusters are not working properly. So I've ordered a new set of adjusters for the near side and off side headlight for the Towboat Express. Whenever I'll get the chance to do that, the MOT is due about next month, so hopefully I'm able to go down and fit them, so that it will get to the MOT. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.